My name is Brynskov. I'm the lead and coordinator of Synchronicity. I'm really excited to be here at the London Bootcamp, where we're welcoming the new companies, the new cities that are joining the Synchronicity European large-scale pilot for smart city communities. So what we have done over the last 2 years is that we've been preparing for this day. We have set up around the Open Agile Smart Cities global network of cities to form the future market for smart cities and communities. So far, that market has not been working. What we've been trying to do is to find a minimal common technical ground so that it's easy for a smaller company to work with cities, larger companies, and communities to deliver new services based on new technologies. Internet of Things, AI, artificial intelligence, 5G, the whole lot. So we have spent some time now to preparing this common ground, engaging with the 8 original cities that are in Synchronicity, and we're now welcoming 10 more, so it's 18 cities all in all. We have 40 companies now rolling out new services in all of the cities. Around 50 new services deployed over the next 6 months, all in all. This is fantastic. For us, this is really the pinnacle of the exercise. But Synchronicity isn't just a project. It's part of a movement that is strengthening the voice of cities and communities in the market where new services are deployed. It's a booming market, and it's an essential one. It's one that's touching every one of us. It's actually not a sector. It's all the sectors combined in our communities, in our cities. It's mobility, it's clean air, it's education, it's about dialogue with policymakers, it's about preserving the local economy in a world where the global forces of economy, of technology, of politics are very powerful. So we will see now how these services are being deployed, are being validated by the cities and communities on real market terms. And that we're looking very much forward to seeing the results of. We are in close conversation with the large players in the market, so the big companies that are providing infrastructure for our future digital societies. But we are linking these big guys with the local needs, with the local communities, very concretely, on market terms. Like the public procurement is the big muscle and engine of this digital transformation. So far, it hasn't really worked well because of old-fashioned way of procuring, because of a lack of understanding how the digital technologies are actually challenging the way we have organized. Instead of having infrastructures and services in closed systems, they're now being merged. So the different sectors need to exchange data with each other. There's actually no good way of doing this currently on a large scale. But that's what we are piloting with all of these companies and cities and citizens coming together. So we're super excited, and we invite other cities, other companies to come and learn with us, to look at what we're doing, because the whole point is that Synchronicity will end by the end of this year. But the movement is big, and it's continuing in the context of the Open Agile Smart Cities network. That is the demand side, you could say. But linked to that, a growing number of providers on the supply side. And that moves on long after. So we're very happy, and we are thankful for the hosts here in London who have brought us together. And we are very thankful for all the cities and companies that have invested their time and energy to help us chart and shape this emerging market. So thank you, everyone, and we welcome everyone else to join us and also to enrich this community and this environment which is already here.